In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin Google Keep to Taskbar. If you use Google Keep for quick notes and checklists, pinning it to your Windows taskbar makes it feel like a lightweight desktop app. It opens in its own clean window, launches fast, and is always one click away. We'll start with the best method, using Google Chrome. First, open Google Keep in Chrome by visiting keep.google.com. Once the page loads, look to the top right corner of Chrome for the three vertical dots. Click those dots to open the menu, then move to Save and Share and choose Create Shortcut. A small dialog appears. Check the box labeled Open as Window. This option ensures Keep opens in a separate window without the usual browser address bar or tabs, so it behaves more like a standalone app. Click Create to confirm. If you see a name field in that dialog, keep the default label so it's easy to recognize on your desktop and taskbar. Chrome will generate a Keep shortcut on your desktop and in many cases immediately launch it in a new window. Go ahead and open that new Keep window if it isn't already open. While it's running, find the Keep icon that just appeared on your taskbar. Right-click that icon and select Pin to Taskbar. That's the key step that locks it in place so it stays there even after you close the window or restart your computer. There's also a quick alternative once the shortcut has been created. Minimize or close Chrome, head to your desktop, locate the new Google Keep shortcut, and simply drag it straight onto the taskbar. Windows will pin it instantly. This drag and drop approach does the same thing as the right-click pin, so use whichever feels easier. When you're done, you'll see a dedicated Google Keep icon on your taskbar. Clicking it opens Keep in its own tidy window, separate from your other browser tabs. It also appears as its own window in Alt+ tab, so jumping back to your notes while working in other apps is quick and seamless. That means faster access to your notes, a distraction-free space for capturing ideas, and a setup that feels like a small native app. If you don't see the Save and Share option in Chrome, make sure Chrome is up to date, then try again. And if you ever want to remove it, just right-click the pinned icon and choose Unpin from Taskbar. That's it. You've turned Google Keep into a click-and-go desktop experience on Windows, ready whenever inspiration strikes.